Yeah.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. Today we all are here to discuss about Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam, right? Sorry, sometimes I just confused in Hindi words. And as we all know that India is when we read in our childhood, if we write any essay on India, the first line is that भारत एक लोकतांत्रिक देश है, means India is a democratic country. But in India, still people say that women are like lord lady in our culture. They worship you, they give respect you, they said that you are Saraswati, but still they expect from you to stop your study if there is no need of earning, or if there is no need to study ahead, because you should prioritize your home first, your home duties first. They said you Kali Ma means Kali Devi, but still expect from you to stay silent when anything wrong thing happen with you. And they said you Ma Lakshmi Devi means Lord Lakshmi lady, but still they expect from you to there is no need to earn money because your husband is enough to earn. And that's why to remove these kind of thing, this type of patriarchy, we need 33% of reservation in our Lok Sabha. Because when we say about any topic, if I just want to say my problem to someone, so I will tell those person who can understand my struggle, who can understand my problem, because she also go through with this same type of problem. But if I say the same problem with a man, maybe they don't understand. And like if I'm talking about the lady in Lok Sabha, they मतलब किसी टॉपिक को उठाना क्या बोलेंगे? They raised a topic on maybe some 2 or 3 days relaxation of a month, because there is a menstruation period going on. And they also raised the problem of some type of sanitary pads, because she also go through this type of problem. She know that woman body need 2 to 3 days relax because every month, because they go through the maybe periods problem. That's why. So that's why, and there is a lot of things that happen. We can't even say that. Still, if a woman provide their statement in front of the family, her family don't like them, because they said that you can't say that you should stay silent because women should adjust. But this is the not right thing. And to uplift the woman empowerment, still there is a 48.8 to 48.9% population exists in India are women. So we should understand that there is no about woman or there is not about a woman or man. It's about the problem, the person who understand the problem, because they go through it. And that's why we need 33% reservation in India. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.